the olive oil with the chicken. Blended everything and then just put it on there. It's been 30 minutes. So I think what I'm going to do now is take this meat out. And then when I take the meat out, I'm going to then put the chicken on there. Look at the meat, how lovely it's looking. It's looking so yummy. Oh my goodness. Oh gosh, it's so hot. What? Oh wow. Just look at that. Isn't this amazing? Ooh, 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 ooh. I mean, somebody should just oh wow. Ain't this just looking so yummy, yummy, yummy. Ooh, I love this. This is looking sumptuous. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to now put the chicken on there. So as you can see, the sauce is on. It's almost done because the oil is now, see, it's on now. Yeah, so what we'll do now is we'll be adding the chicken to, let me show you. I'll be adding the chicken one at a time. Yeah, it's gonna taste so lovely when it's done because the spice on there is just out of this world. It's amazing. I'm just making all this space. Okay, I'm almost done with it. Okay, so this is the finished product. So now I'm just going to clean up a bit of this workstation. Just need to lower this to simmer the lowest possible. Just leave it on there for then another 5 minutes. Just push this in there. Hello, love.
I want my iPad.
You want your iPad? That's your iPad. Okay. This is my lovely baby.
Baba.
Say hello.
Hello.
Okay, love. You want your iPad?
Yes.
Okay, here. Have your iPad.
What
do you want to watch? Your robot. Here you go, love. Michael, come here. Where are you? Come. Come. So, yes, love. Yes, love. You don't want what? Oh, Michael said he doesn't want it. He does want it. Okay, so now the food is cooking nicely. Just look at that. The sauce is ready now. Okay.